Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be discussing best free AI plugins for Photoshop. Now I know this is a completely personal preference, but I'm going to be discussing a few that might help some people. As you know, there are a lot of plugins for Photoshop, as this is a really saturated and well known industry level software that is used for many years now. So let's just begin into our list. The first one is going to be subpixel diffuse. So you can add more suitable diffuse from this, suitable for photographers, graphic designers, and illustrators. So yeah, and this free plugins is for you if you find Photoshop's diffuse effect slightly over the top. And the main difference is this plugin Photoshop goes into more detail by looking at fractional diffusion. In turn, you get a lot more subtle diffuse when using this plugin than the Photoshop function. After that, we have our lens distortion. Creates a lens distortion suitable for photographers and compatible with Photoshop CS5 Plus. After that, we have our theme switcher. So if you are just simply annoyed with the simple theme that Photoshop offers, you can use theme switcher to change the interface look, suitable for photographers, graphic designers, and illustrators, compatible with Photoshop CC. After that, we have our floating adjustments. So if you want to simply activate large adjustments dialog boxes, this one is for you. After that, we have easy mockups. This one is really handy if you are if you want to create an app design or mockup suitable for photographers, graphic designers, and much more. Then we have our texture anarchy, and using this we can create different type of textures. And we have Slack, so obviously who do not want to integrate Slack into Photoshop, so we have that as well. Make sure to try this one. And yeah, so these were some of the recommended ones for this list. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.